is down there. There he is down there.
Go up and down. Up and down.
How you doing, Christy?
Not good.
People in and out of here, don't they? Hey, don't you feel like cattle? Daniel, you see all the bat poop? Oh, wow. Holy crap. Echo, echo.
But don't go over the edge. Please don't go over the edge. Follow the people in front of you and line up behind them. All the way around. Follow the people in front of you and line up behind them. We need to get everybody out of this tunnel. So follow the people in front of you and line up behind them. Welcome to the Hoover Damn Power Plant. The Hoover Damn Power Plant is a giant U-shaped building at the foot of Hoover Dam. You're on the Nevada side. Over across the river in Arizona, there's another room just like this. This room is 650 feet long. If you look out there, there are 8 commercial generators. Over in Arizona, there are 9, public 17. Each one of those generators is capable of producing up to 130 megawatts of power. Totally, the plant is capable of producing up to 2,080 megawatts of power. The power from this plant is divided among 3 states. California gets 56%, Arizona 19%, and Nevada 25%. If you'll notice the tops of the generators, if the top is illuminated, that unit is in operation right now. Now pay attention to the generator that's closest to us. That one is designated M1 or Nevada 1. That generator took 60 train cars full of parts. It came online during 1936 and became one of the first of its kind in the world. By the end of 1937, there were 4 of those generators in operation here, making this the largest producing power plant in the world at that time. Now pay attention to N1. Notice the walkway that goes around the center of it. Then look in the center of the opening and inside there. That's the shaft. That shaft is 38 inches in diameter, 65 feet long, and it weighs 114 tons. When it's in operation, the shaft is spinning, and what spins it is water, which comes from Lake Mead, goes into large pipes, which are also called penstocks. You just saw one of those pipes. There are 2 of those pipes on each side of the canyon. Each one of them is 30 feet in diameter. They carry the water from Lake Mead around the dam through the canyon walls, and as they get alongside each one of the generators, the water is transferred from the 30-foot pipe to 13-foot pipes. At that point, the water's traveling at approximately 48 miles an hour. The water then goes under the generator, spins the Francis-type turbine or water wheel. That in turn spins the shaft, which spins the rotor, and that's what produces electricity. Then the waters return back into the river and head southbound towards Mexico. You'll notice down there on the floor with the little fence around it, there's a rust-colored horizontal style generator. That's a Pelton water wheel generator. There are two of those in the plant. That one and the one over on the Arizona side. Those were the first to come online here. They both are capable of producing up to 2.4 megawatts of power, and they produce all internal power for the dam and the plant. If you'll notice out there up above, there are two green apparatus. Those are called bridge cranes. They travel the entire length of this room on those tracks you see up there. Each bridge crane can lift 300 tons. Put them together, they can lift a little more than 600 tons. Now notice the floor we're all standing on. It's a terrazzo floor. It is throughout the dam, and when completed during 1937, it cost $59,000. Today it would cost millions. Now there are 20 of you that have a red, white, and blue wristband on your wrist. If you have one of those